gotta see them.
Sure.
Paul, beautiful day. How's it going, Paul? Living the life.
Walking around Fort Zachary. Fort Zachary. All I can find is asphalt and beach. Can't even find a fort. A big stinking cannon. Hope they sank some enemies with this thing. It says blacksmith shop. It looks pretty new. Looks like stockade. Jail. Or maybe where they kept the cows. People died in there, you know that. Fort Taylor, Fort Zachary Taylor. It's named after Zachary Taylor. 1861, 1947. Them are some big balls. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's the gallows. That's where they hang you. Some more big cannons in every one of them little units down there. Bobo. Spiral staircase going up to the top again. Oh. Oh yeah, a moat. SD Victoria. That's that ship over there. In Key West. We already saw the stupid buoy, but I've been there. Brother Bob, Steve from Illinois, Jimmy Plant from over to Albany, New York. Another spiral staircase going down. Can't get any closer than that over there. How many soldiers fell down this thing? Come and take them. There you go. Oh, that cannon was pulled back. This is where it flies through. You probably could see the ocean from here then, or at least you had a spotter up above letting you know where they're at. There's a moat. It stinks in here. Oh, this hoss on wheels even. You were a man if you were on these guns.
Back in the, when it's happening, the barracks.
And the Union was not using anything like that.
There's a lot of those people that became officers in that era of the different regiments that were in the Civil War. They were like, in colleges. Crazy that they volunteered.
Knew you were going to be alive. It's probably a lot like that still.